What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I'm doing the intro from in the office again. Cause y'all tuning in to another Donkmaster video we did together. Once again, like I said, I forgot to do the intro, man. I was just hyped up, geeked off of the whole week and the weekend, cause we had been back and forth. If you saw the previous vlog, we had been in Valdosta. Then we came straight to this event, which was the Cut the Check Gangster Party event at Middle Georgia Sports Park. And I must say, I'm going to go do a vlog at Middle Georgia Sports Park, man, without the cars there and stuff too, because they done did some amazing changes to the facility, man. It looks good. So I want to give the world a tour of that facility, because y'all know I go there a lot. Shout out to Trent, man, and the whole staff at Middle Georgia Sports Park, MGSP. So I'm thinking about doing that. But what y'all looking at about to see is Donkmaster and Karlos Miller's new giveaway car. It's a 95 Impala SS. It's very nicely done. If you want a chance to win this car, go to inandoutcustoms.com. Get your tickets for a chance to win this car. I think he said this day 16th giveaway or something. They gave away 16 cars and stuff. So people picking the cars up, driving them home, man, from out of state and stuff. So it's a very nice piece. Y'all check this out. Like I said, click the link in his description, as he say, on his page, his Instagram page. One is at the _1_ Donkmaster. You can click the link directly from his page. You can go to Karlos Miller page, which is Karlos with a K, Karlos M, I think, but you know, it'll pop up, man. Karlos real reputable too. But you can just go straight to inandoutcustoms.com. But hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Okay, we checking in with Sage Donkmaster Thomas, and this here, behind him is the new giveaway card. Because if y'all not familiar or don't know, him and Karlos Miller, shout out to Karlos as well, they do the awesome giveaway, man. Great legitimate cars. Legitimate giveaways as well too, and they're making a lot of people happy all across the nation. These guys picking these cars up, and they driving them back home. And this behind him, he about to tell you about, is the new giveaway car. So what we got? Oh yeah, so right here is a 1995 Impala SS. I'm talking about everything on it is brand new, right? And then we also partner with a bunch of other small shops to build a quality product that we know will work. So like this one got a 6.2 all aluminum LS, 4L80 transmission, FTI converter. My partner LP Customs out of Charleston, South Carolina, he paints all the giveaway cars. And then my partner Jughead down in Fort Lauderdale does all the interior and the music on the cars. So me and Karlos Miller, we partner up with In and Out Customs, and he owns Baby Bird Automotive, to where we actually put these cars together. So this one has QA1 suspension front to back, a full big wheel kit, 24-inch Ruchis on it, and about 4,000 watts of stereo on the inside. So we like to make sure these giveaways ain't the same as everybody else's giveaways. I don't want to, you know what I mean, but this ain't the same. These real deal. You fly in and drive these cars home, and we get footage from everybody who win the car. If you go to my YouTube, Donkmaster TV, they fly in, I pick them up from the airport, get in the car, here you go, boom, they drive them home. I say, send me a picture in the driveway. Got the pictures, pop right up, whatever the case may be, and that's what we do. We've been doing this now for the last about 3 years, going on over 3 years now. So now in this particular giveaway, how many days are remaining where they can get tickets and for a chance to win? So on this one, we got a little over 30 days, about 32, a little over 30 days. So this one ends March 28th, okay. 2025. This one ends, and you can get the tickets on inandoutcustoms.com. You go there, click the link, get the tickets, and there's a chance for you to win. You can win this car. All right.
ain't got to get in the car. You know what I mean? I don't got to pack the gas. I mean, I don't want to show everybody out there in the world. We don't have to pack the gas. We just hit the beat. You know what I mean? We ain't got to get in there. We got to do all that. Now you trying to tell me, kid, this power seats now.
Hey, y'all, look, take a picture. 1, 2, 3.
Cruise a little bit, how you want to do? But you know, we'll give everybody a look and see what's going on with them.
I gotta get one of these one day for real.
Nah, see, you got this. This is an LS motor here now. You got a 6.2.
Look, just about to be.
Y'all ain't want to ride with me no more. Well, I'm going to start a little bit of y'all see how the giveaway car do, right? You fly in, drive home, you can do donut and still sit there and let it out. Y'all hear that? Y'all know to get the thing. Oh, you ride with us this time? Or you want